Hey, it's Cath. Thanks so much for checking out our latest video. So this week we changed the battery terminal clamps, which was a nice simple job actually, quite easy to do. The negative clamp was cracked. So I used the positive clamp on the negative cable. I've added new lugs for the clamps and also installed an isolator switch to the positive cable. There's been a power leak somewhere in the wiring, so the switch prevents the battery going flat. But now it means we've got to get in and check out the wiring at some stage. But this is just going to help for now to stop the power leaking through the wiring somewhere. The new clamps are on the terminals with the new isolator switch. Now I'll turn it on and make sure it works. Thanks again for watching, and please subscribe to get my latest videos. See you next time.